Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm plugging you guys on to this amazing furniture workshop at Ugbomoro, Uwe local government area. Let's say you're coming from Ugbomoro Junction, the first furniture workshop opposite Truth and Life Church. They don't have any Instagram handle, website, or any of that yet. But trust me guys, their work is amazing. I will put their phone number in the description box so you can check them out. Let me take you around the shop. Hold on. At this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why are you being stingy? Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos with people you think might need them. Thank you.
I think raising money is not that difficult today. Trust me. The advice I give to the young people is that also the advice I give to myself, that nothing is easy. Nothing is free. If you want to be successful, you have to pay the price. So 25 years old, don't worry. Any mistake is an income, is a wonderful revenue for you. So I told myself and told my young people.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today, I am in a I'm in another location, This place is called Ugbomoro, I'm at a furniture workshop. Guys, this place is the most amazing furniture workshop you can ever think of here in Warri. This is the place I did my furniture works. Everything about my furniture works in my shop. If you've not watched my shop, so I'll put a link to that video in the description box. So everything about my shop, every furniture in my shop, I did them here. So now I'm with a worker here. I'm with a worker here. It's going to tell us all about this place, and if you guys would like to check it out, I'll put the link, everything about this place in the description box. Their number and everything. So here I have with me
God's power, Mr. God's power.
God's power. He works here. So he's going to tell us all about the shop, the location, everything about the shop. So God's power, how long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 2 years and some months.
2 years and some months, right? Guys, now for Warri here now, how you feel say the business dey? Is it a very lucrative business? The business they pay?
Due to our environment and our economy, the business and better business, and due to the quality of your work, your materials when you use will bring more customers. By the situation, you did something for somebody and the thing lasted for just 6 months or 3 months. Now you not go get my thing come back again. But we dey use quality things till they do the work for you, so that if you hold the work, say this thing, the quality, you put your money aside something, you see what you put your money for. I'll be like,
so which kind thing now they do? Like chairs, which other thing aside from chair, normal house things? Which other type of furniture now they do?
anything about furniture we do, and we do all these foreign bed with a couple, like if you order for this foreign chef from abroad, we couple any kind of thing concerning furniture, and we dey make any, no matter the thing big, which we dey make am come outside, any kind of thing at all. By God's grace, we dey happy say God is doing for us and the wisdom.
So you really enjoy what you are doing? Do you really enjoy the work?
Yes, 100% sure. The work is nice and okay.
So now for like you guys heard, like he has been working here for like 2 years, and so if not be waiting you dey enjoy, you stay here for like 2 years plus.
No, no,
and
that.
Then talking about like the pay, like people really they patronize, and people they go buy all this already made.
For that aspect, it's like people they patronize with the furnitures, with the upholstery, with the designers, due to our work. It don't advance more than before. We don't dey into majorly into the future. Everything done dey easy. So once you get your machine, everything dey easy. No need for you to really suffer yourself. And For God so kind, we know the two they use the wood again. Most of the things from do an apply board. Yeah, so everything done they easy for us right now, but we still thank God.
Okay, so far so good. Like this place now, wetin they call like person wan call patronize now. Where I go tell her or where we go tell her say na be this place.
This place now Gbomoro, opposite Truth and Life Church.
Okay, so
First furniture shop.
Okay, the first furniture shop opposite Truth and Life Church. Okay, guys, we've heard it from a worker here. Okay, so this place, guys, I highly recommend this place. Okay, their products they are very of good quality. They make use of good quality things. Okay, like I can attest with my own furniture, like things I did here are still working amazing. Like you know those type of things that. What do they call those things when they come out from wood?
The incense.
All those incense that do come out of your furniture materials, guys. Like, I'm not even seeing any sign like that in my own. So, and the chairs here, like, people patronize them here. They have good customers. Like, yeah, they're always busy here. They're always working. So, guys, I highly recommend this place. If you're in Warri, come to Ugbomoro. Once you get to Ugbomoro Junction, tell them you are coming to opposite Truth and Life, the first furniture that is opposite Truth and Life Church. Okay, so they are always busy, guys. They are always busy. So if you're looking to do your furniture works, you better find yourself here. Okay, you better find yourself here. Come and thank me later. Okay, when you're coming, come with a bottle of wine. Okay, come and thank me later with a bottle of wine. Period. The thing about this place is that before they finish doing their work, the owners have come to claim their properties. So that's why you don't see a lot of samples outside. Even me, I came to do my chairs here, so that's why I'm even making this video. Okay, so I'll post the pictures of my chairs on Instagram maybe before the end of this month. So if you're not following me on IG, you better go follow me there. Okay, so that you see what they did for me. Okay, yeah. Ẹ kúṣẹ́.
Why done?
We are much and yes. Let's not get name now.
Yes, so
I'm gonna try get name.
Who you copying?
Who
you copying? Who you Dana furniture? Yes. Interior designer.
Yes, sir.
Every year good. 2 seconds.
You don't have to be in the same faith I'm in, or you ain't got to call God the same thing I call it. But listen to me, you do have to call him, though. It's not gonna make your life easy. Faith don't make it easy. Faith makes it possible. All you want is the strength to get through your life. On the days that I feel like I'm not gonna make it, on the days that it feels like I can't endure anymore, I think back on my track record for surviving all my bad days. And so far, surviving all my bad days, my track record is 100%. It ain't about the money. I know a lot of very rich people that's miserable, not happy at all. I can bet you most of you are happier than most of the people I know. And I know some very wealthy people. And money don't make you happy. It helps you through a lot of situations. You know the only thing about money? Money takes all emergencies and turns them into mere inconveniences. That's what money does. Really, other than that, it's a lot to come with money. People think when you get famous or rich that your problems is over. More money, more problems.
Please check this place out, guys, and let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with your friends, your families, and everyone around you. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out.